Good morning. I am so tired. I'm so tired. I'm moving today and tomorrow, which is so exciting. I got the keys to our new place yesterday. So I moved a few things myself and I'm just exhausted. My feet are hurting. I'm super tired. I did hire movers because Joseph is working. He's out of the state for work. So I hired movers to move all the big things. However, there are just a few little things that in order for the movers to move everything has to be boxed up, and there's just several things that, like my hamper and all these little things here, that I just don't feel like putting in boxes, or they're glass and the boxes won't completely close. So I'm gonna move all of this today with my brother. He's on his way over. So we're just gonna move this, and everything else the movers will move tomorrow. So this past month has been kind of crazy because I've been trying to pack everything on my own. And then I need things to cook or just things that I need in general, and I ended up packing it. So it's been chaotic. I'm just ready to move. I'm ready to just be situated, have everything unpacked and where it belongs and organized. And yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. So that's what I'm doing today and tomorrow. I want to do a video soon because I dyed my hair black. So I want to talk about that. I filmed a little bit of it, so I will be putting that up when I do the video on why I went back to black. My natural hair color is not black, so I wasn't really sure. I mean, I'm kind of getting used to it, but my hair is dark brown. So when I dyed it black, it was like, oh my god, like I felt like it washed me out. It's really dark. My hair has never been this dark. I actually dyed my hair a semi-permanent black like 9 years ago. I'll try and insert a picture. This is when I used to only blow dry my hair straight. I dyed it a semi-permanent black, and I really loved it because with time it kind of faded, and it was a really pretty color, but it wasn't this deep of a black. And not that I don't like black hair, I'm just not used to it, you know. I feel like it makes me look more pale. I feel like my face is way lighter than my arms. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm exhausted. I am drinking my coffee. Here's my coffee. Just waiting for my brother to get here so that we can start packing and unpacking and loading and unloading. And then I'm gonna show you guys the main floor of our townhouse. It's a townhouse that we're moving into, and I love it. I think it's really cute, it's really pretty, and it's a lot more spacious than this unit. We've been living in this unit for almost 5 years now, so we've been here a while, and we've definitely outgrown the space. I didn't have my business when we moved in here, so the desk wasn't there. We had more room, but now that I have the business and I have boxes everywhere and papers everywhere, and I have a desk and a chair, and now I'm doing more YouTube, and the lighting, it's just too much. So I needed an extra room. I don't know who this is. Hello? I thought I had an appointment today, but it was for next Monday, not this Monday. So she just called to let me know that I'm good to go. I am good to go. So yeah, I'm just delusional. I need to finish my coffee so I can wake up and then wait for my bro to get here, and then we're just gonna move all day today. And I'm kind of overwhelmed about tomorrow because tomorrow I have the movers coming between 9:30 and 10:30 here to my apartment to move everything. And then I purchased a new TV and a new couch, and I'm giving this couch, this TV, and the stand over here, I'm giving that away. Let me show you. The TV, I've had this TV for 10 years, you guys, and it is holding up strong. It is a Panasonic. I purchased it when my son was born. And it's a flat screen. However, it's really old, so it projects a lot of heat, and it's only 1080p. So I'm giving that away. I purchased a new Sony 4K TV, which is amazing. It was on sale. I'm giving this away to my aunt, and I'm giving away the couch that I'm sitting on. I purchased a new sectional for this new space, and I love it. It's so pretty, and the couch was on sale. So I am all about a sale. Your girl is all about saving that money. You guys, I can't get over the shootings that are happening in these schools, man. Like, as soon as I heard about the shooting that happened in South Florida, which is only like 3 hours away from here, I started crying so bad, especially when they showed the pictures of the kids, of the victims. Listen, you guys, like, that gets to me so bad, and it's very scary. I mean, it has gotten to the point where Joseph and I are talking about homeschooling my kid because it's just dangerous. You know, like, you can't. And then 2 days ago, there was a shooting in my local movie theater that I go to. Like 10 minutes away, 5-10 minutes away, there was a local shooting. 6 bullets fired in front of the theater. I mean, so it's just, things are just getting really scary. Like, you can't just live life anymore. You have to be like on defense and worry, and you have to like watch everybody, and you know. But anyways, what was I saying? What was I talking about? Yes. So tomorrow is gonna be a little hectic, exciting but hectic. So I have the movers coming at 9:30, between 9:30 and 10:30. And then I have the furniture store arriving between 9:30 and 10:30. And then I have the cable guy getting there between 9 and 11. And then there was one more person coming. I have like 4 people coming tomorrow around the same time frame, and I'm just like, I have to be in like 2 places at once. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it won't be too crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping that the movers will get here right on time so that I could just give them direction on what to do and what to pack, and then go straight to the new unit and kind of wait there for everybody else to arrive. So that's it. Too much rambling. I'm talking way too much. I will see you guys soon. So this is the new place, and I love it so much. I have been here for a few hours just cleaning, so I'm just sweaty and gross and tired and hungry. But I'm gonna give you guys a really quick tour. It's messy because it's messy and empty, obviously. This is the living room. The couch is not here yet. The TV is gonna go on that wall. I love the high ceilings. That's one of the things that I fell in love with. And I love that this place has a lot of natural lighting. I work from home, so having a place with lots of natural lighting just makes me feel more energized and just gets me in a better mood. That's the main entrance. That's the second floor where the bedrooms are. So when you walk in, you see the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and that is the dining. So we have kitchen, dining, and then the living room. This is the main living space. I fell in love with this kitchen. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and everything is brand new. We have 2 huge closets. I'm using this one as my pantry. This is technically the pantry there, but the cabinets, oh, here's a half bath. The cabinets are just too deep, so I'm gonna use them as just to store pots and pans. But this is technically the pantry. I can't even reach up there, you guys. I'm like so. But yeah, so I mean, I might store a few things in here just to make it easier, but I'm gonna use that as my pantry. This is another closet. I love the amount of storage that's in this unit. I recently bought these carpets from Overstock. I fell in love with the print of this carpet. They arrived a couple of days ago. So this is where the dining table is gonna go, and I also bought the matching carpet runner for the kitchen. And that's it. So I've just been cleaning, getting everything organized. I bought 4 of these stools to go here in the island. I'm going to put these 2 together now, just so I could have some seating, because right now there's nowhere to sit on. So I'm gonna get these together. I'm gonna build it or put it together. I hope it's not that difficult. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I look crazy. Good morning. It is 9 in the morning. Day 3 of moving, but the first official day. Today the movers actually come and deliver all of my stuff. I'm out of breath. But I'm here because I'm waiting for the cable people to arrive here, and I also have a delivery coming here. However, in 30 minutes I have the movers arriving at my old unit. So I just left them the door open just in case I don't make it there on time. They could just waltz on in there and start moving things, because I can't be at 2 places at once, you know. However, I did finish the stool. I finished one of them, and I like it. It's very, very cute. However, I think it's too tall. You know, like you don't have, when you sit, you don't have a lot of knee space. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or return them. I was looking for different ones, like shorter ones, but they're so expensive. So I got a great deal on these, and they come in a set of 2, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them or return them. But based on what I have been searching, it's looking like I might keep them. I found a really cute set, and they were actually on sale at Home Goods last week, and they were perfect, the perfect height and everything. But when I went yesterday, again, they were gone. You know, Home Goods is one of those places where you have to snatch up whatever you see because people buy them, and it's not like they restock their items. Once they're gone, they're gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am sweating bullets from going up and down these stairs. So I'm gonna try and organize a little bit, just a few things that I have here, and that's it. Just chill and wait for the movers to arrive. So I'm having a difficult time with these damn stools. I completely finished this one the correct way. However, when I put it up, it's uneven. It doesn't lay flat. So I have to take everything apart and re-screw the seat part evenly so that it won't be wobbly when I stand it up. And then the one that I did yesterday, I completely forgot to add the, what do you call it, the bars or whatever that go here. Like these things, I completely forgot to add it to these. So I have to take this one apart and do it all over again. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hopefully by getting these 2 correct, because I have 2 more I have to assemble. So hopefully by just getting these 2 correct and knowing how to properly install them and put them together, I will do the next 2 without any issues, because this shit has been a pain in the ass. It has taken me forever just to put together these damn 2 stools. And not to mention, the instructions are incorrect. Like the stickers that they have here, like L, R, F, are not the same as the manual. So it kind of made it a little bit tricky, but I got it. I'm figuring it out. It just sucks that I have to start all over again. But it's all right. As long as I get them right, because I'm not about to have wobbly stools. So this is the progress we have so far. It was pretty hectic here for a second because I had Best Buy come and deliver the TV and install it, and then at the same time I had the cable company come and connect the cables, and then 10 minutes after that I had the delivery furniture store come and deliver the couch. So it was hectic for quite a while, but this is what the living room looks like so far. I think it looks really cute, very cozy, very comfortable. Now, the only thing I'm waiting for are the actual movers. They are currently in my old apartment getting everything ready to bring it over. So the only thing really missing from the living room area is the TV stand that's gonna go there. And then of course, later on, I'm gonna start decorating and just adding curtains and just filling up the space and making it look cute, but not too overcrowded, because I don't like feeling claustrophobic either. But this is what it looks like, and I'm super, super happy with the way it looks. I might purchase new pillows, get rid of those green ones over there. They look gray on camera, but they're more green, and get more gray toned ones. But I really like everything. It's coming along, coming along. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and it is definitely a lazy Sunday. I slept in today. I woke up around 9, which is pretty late for me because I'm always up and running by 7. But I am starving. It is 12:08, so I'm gonna make myself an egg sandwich, and Junior and I are going to eat because we're very hungry. I don't have anything exciting planned today. Last night was a ton of fun. It was my friend's birthday, and she had a 1920 theme party at a speakeasy place here in downtown Orlando. That was so much fun. So, but today I don't have anything planned. I just have to clean out the garage. Not clean it out, I just have to organize it. And I have to go to the grocery store because there's not a lot to eat here. And that's about it. Nothing really exciting, but I did want to vlog. I want to get into the habit of vlogging. I've been saying that like all last year, but this year I really want to make it a point to vlog. I also have a vlog channel. I uploaded some old videos, but nothing really new. So hopefully I can get into the routine of this whole vlogging thing and start having more videos up. So that is one of my goals for this year. But anyways, I'm about to make some breakfast and we're gonna eat, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. So here's Junior's breakfast. He's having a leftover chocolate chip pancake, which is huge and it looks so good. And here's my egg sandwich. I just have 2 pieces of butter bread, 2 fried eggs with a little bit of mayo and cheese. And it's so good and so filling. So I just finished eating. I'm gonna go ahead and organize the garage a little bit. And yeah, I'm so tired. I still feel like I'm just very lazy, but this is what I have to kind of organize. I bought like a little shelf over there. I think I'm gonna have to buy another one. I don't think that's enough right there for all this stuff, but let's go ahead and try to organize and just make this look better than what it is right now. So I'm done organizing. This is what it looks like. I just think it looks way better than it did before. Here's the mini me. Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mom.
He's just riding his electric scooter around. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up my Amazon box. I really didn't buy anything interesting. I have been buying several things lately. Just things that I need for the home and just to get things nice and organized. But number 1, this is really cool. This is a gift for a friend that arrived a day too late. Her birthday was last night, or her birthday party was last night. I wanted to give this to her then, but it arrived today, and this is the Ember coffee mug. And it's so cool because it has an app and you can set the temperature of the coffee to always stay at the correct temperature that works for you. So you can kind of, this is awesome if you have like an office job and you drink coffee, then you get distracted working, then when you go back to sip your coffee, it's cold. With this mug, it'll stay hot for up to, I don't know how many hours. So I think this is a really cool gift. I wanted to get it for myself, but her and I used to drink coffee together all the time in the mornings, and I don't know, I really hope that she enjoys this because I think it's really cool. So I got this, and I got 2 boring things. This is just some tape dispenser for my label maker. I like to label things and just stay organized, so I got a replacement of that. And then I got a squeegee so I can clean the bathrooms. I like to kind of squeegee the glass shower before I step out of the shower just to make sure it stays nice and clean. And that's it. Those are the 3 things I picked up. Besides the coffee mug, nothing really interesting, but I think this is really cool. I don't know if I should put some makeup on. Every time I go to Cheesecake Factory, everybody looks top-notch. All the girls are wearing heels and makeup, and I just want to go there in like sweats and my sneakers. That's what I wear like 99% of the time. But I don't know, I kind of feel like putting makeup on, but I have a little bit of mascara. I don't know. I am in love with my eyebrows. I got them touched up in February. So last month I went back to the lady that got them my eyebrows are tattooed. So I went back for my second touch up and they look so good because she also did not only the hair stroke technique, but she also did a lot of shading and she made them a little thicker, she made them my natural shape because I would have to pluck a little bit of the bottom. So she made them my natural shape, the way they grow. And I think they look so good. They look way better than before. I hear Mini-Me coming down. There he is. Choo-choo! Go get dressed. You feeling better? Oh, my baby. All right, I have to get Mini-Me dressed and then we're gonna go eat. I'm so hungry. I will see you guys at Cheesecake Factory.